Mu party mu mbre wa Hawa Koomson. Hawa Koomson ogina wa se chobi. Hey! Hawa Koomson ko duru fie na oyiyi ne ho weapons ne spare parts as a magazine bidie car. Otumi anu yi body no tu. O ha no tu wig na aka tim se aso kube. Na we so ha no yi na oba tutu parts bu form. Obu tutu wo ho parts se obu si kokompe. We mu na beje mo party no. Vom ye mo he. Me di o matema na me ni agye hwe muntie Hawa Koomson.
They need to change their candidates.
Oh,
yes. Because she's not on top of issues.
Why do you say that?
She's not on top of issues in Kaswa.
Why do you say that?
Yes. You see, if she wants to do chew and poor, she should sit down and learn well. So when you are chewing and you are pouring, you have your facts. Okay?
Munjai, sir.
Yes, you need change. Change your candidate. Because she's not. She's not. They need to change her.
I beg you.
You're not.
I beg you.
I believe that.
I beg you.
I believe we will debate on issues. I believe we are here as intellectuals. I believe we are here as matured minds.
But I'm matured than you.
We are here to debate on issues.
I beg you.
We are here to debate on issues.
My second
we are here to
debate
on issues. So say what you want to say.
Respond to her question.
In your Olympic behavior, say what you want to say.
Please respond to her question. Now, I beg you, let her respond to your question. Honorable, she asked some questions. Kindly respond.
I'm going to respond.
Okay, please respond.
That is why I started by saying that she should
not sell your products. Are you blaming them? You cannot sell your products. If you cannot sell your products, don't blame the market.
Now, I beg you.
No, but if you cannot sell your products, don't blame the market.
She's going to respond to your question.
So she should respond.
That's what she's about to do.
That is what is important.
So allow her to do that.
We are here and a lot of people are listening to her, so she should respond.
Allow her to respond.
Momo consensus uncle for free some of ministers. Hawa Koomson. Oh, in sound ring. I saw to call about Burkina. You busa a question. You are a minister and an MP. You are no also obey 32. A buffunu. When you Musum say AK-47 too. Ote sa e wana obotuo. When you munkam say a mobile say. You busa a question who can just say obey the 30 years or chain. Now Jimmy Yanka obetuma be minister. These are the people. The young lady is telling you, answer the question. We are here for an intellectual discourse. It is not about the NDC changing their MP. NDC can decide to bring anybody else. It's up to you to show that you are smart, you are intelligent, you deserve that position. Or chain. Who cares? When you question their intelligence, or when you question their intelligence, or miyemuba, oba enkwara obo jantra wo mu na miyemuba enyini uyemuba kronfon na yanyanden wona yebusa okwahe wona yebusa okwahye motete Ghana na Jimmy ote ho osoro na watwetuo na wonyankwasiafo bi di nechi na I am very sure say this lady or contestant no sa na call you no. You see how intelligent that girl is. You saw how confident she is. Hawa Koomson cannot join sentences. Hawa Koomson on to mean join aqua with face family going to mean define it. Now politics say Jimmy NT. Some people have been to school, they will still stand in the queue and vote for this cow. Your MP, change your MP. It's not on to me on brofwe on to me ponkasa. Now we obey to my king contract at Tiasia sign. What say you soon? Yes, ya no I was obeying ni. Wa kwara ba kwe di 30, ba kwe di 32. Unim nyansa, a wompom nyansa unibi. And my daughter, one is 30, and one is answer the questions. Bulu cho neke. Answer the question and stop the seke. Mambraim waha neke. Answer the questions and stop the neke. And stop the seke. Some questions someone yatra wa masa girl mami we abrewa we. Or you go for the girlfriend ti. Na on in parliament. Yahweh minister. She cannot even express herself. When you watch this, it's so disheartening. And Mguasiano is beyond.
They need to change their candidates.
Oh.
Yes. Because she's not on top of issues.
Why do you say that?
She's not on top of issues in Kaswa.
Why do you say that?
Yes. You see, if she wants to do chew and poor, she should sit down and learn well. So when you are chewing and you are pouring, you have your facts. Okay?
Munjai, sir.
Yes, you need change. Change your candidate. Because she's not. She's not. They need to change her.
I beg you.
You're not.
I beg you.
I believe that.
I beg you.
I believe we will debate on issues. I believe we are here as intellectuals. I believe we are here as matured minds.
But I'm mature than you.
We are here to debate on issues.
I beg you.
We are here to debate on issues.
My second
we are here
daughter
to
is 30
debate on issues.
So
say what you want to say.
Respond to
what
her
you want to
question.
say. In your Olympic behavior, say what you want to say.
Please respond to her
Say what
question.
you want to say. In your Olympic behavior.
I beg you. Let her respond to your question. Honorable, she asked some questions. Kindly respond
I'm going
to them.
to respond.
Okay, please respond.
That is why I started by saying that she
If
should
you
not
cannot
be
sell your
school
products,
her.
are you blaming them? If you cannot sell your products, if you cannot sell your products, don't blame the marketer.
Nah, I beg you.
No, but if you cannot sell your products, don't blame the marketer.
She's going to respond to your questions
So she should
now.
respond.
That's what she's about to do.
That is what is important.
So allow her to do
we
that.
are here and
allow her
a lot
now.
of people are listening to us.
When you are chewing and pouring, wait. Hey, ready? One more kosala to Abama. Hawa Koomson mo Jimmy Papa. Ready, Jacob. Ah. Moi, muto Abama Hawa Koomson. Ready, Jacob. Na akwa oba Jimmy wait for. When you are chewing and pouring, you have to understand that when you are chewing and pouring, we're a minister or a cabinet minister. Otumisi sanko fodi ne chiko abrochire oba moto 7 di nanim 7 di nachi VW V8 V9 V12 no tim our police for miensa mienu tini fie na ba ku di nachi every day bi obeto ne tubia etua ne ka alawa den wey ena mote Ghana air pump sikagu sa money box we mu Hawa Koomson or ye educated illiterate. Say can be educated illiterate or to which really dingwa. Hawa Koomson does not deserve to come close to member of parliament seat. Enye Jimmy na ye Jimmy enye MPP na ye Jimmy Fwa. How can you present such a person say omedi Ghana for nim na onye den on se so mabrabo Hawa Koomson na Jimmy Hawa Koomson we Jimmy yen to me fana nya hwe chewing and pouring. When you are chewing and pouring, we know I know abobi enka kenkontra when ya enkofo da ho di wechi e o baby out no. Now I am very sure say and I have the belief Hawa Koomson or 2024 botu amumbodi tuonku no. Say Hawa Koomson Oma obia twituo ewo the constituency anybody Hawa Koomson armed nipa no mu so kutatu amunkunu ntontwene Hawa Koomson nankasa otwituo amunkunu Hawa Koomson atwituo abo obi tuoku no we da wote ho munhwe ase de ngunu so Hawa Koomson election day or the tax bi aba mo dos so mumbo mu tuo nko omo. Because if you don't do it, Hawa Koomson will do it again. Hawa Koomson, Ekufuado, onye Jimmy Fwa, anka he will never give Hawa Koomson any ministerial job. After what happened in 2020, after Hawa Koomson admitting on TV, Semena me bo tuono as a member of parliament in public at a voting area, Ekufuado onye Jimmy Fwa, anamunim. Nanado danko Ekufuado, onye Jimmy Fwa. He only supports foolishness for a member of parliament to even admit on national television, say, I shot the gun at a polling station. Now, yasa sorry, I'm the cabinet minister. Ekufuado is a fool. Because I said, more reason. It's more than a person who be who say they don't deserve to be in power. What do you want to see again? A dear Now look at this. Do you see the danger? We should not make a mistake again. Obi to say Hawa Koomson. On say ende Hawa Koomson. Still, Ophilis obi to my national women's organizer NPP. It tells you something. And Hawa Koomson sees herself say, "Oh yeah, a better material to be the national women's organizer of the NPP." But I want say, "Hey, adentra, partners was ano, and one does chain ni pano." Hawa Koomson twito boni patuo. Hawa Koomson na no a wode be kasa akenkan kura onim. Hawa Koomson and MPP for say ye pe Hawa Koomson na den because the record it say wa botuo nti obetuma ye national women's organizer. International MPP ma Hawa Koomson or person ye national women's a dirty referee who could not even speak. Wait.
That was our promise. We said one village, one dam. We didn't say, how do you call it? One Bui dam or one Akosubon dam for the village. We said one village. And when we talk about one village in a dam, my sister, we some of us know the kind of dam we're talking about. It's not the bigger type. It's for the people to use during drought. The animals will not go far so that people will throw them away or they will go and die on their way. Because if they are not getting water, definitely they will die. So you needed some water close to the village so that they can use for domestic. That's all.
You said it's not looking, it doesn't look.
I'm telling you the fact that NDC did, we're coming out with those pictures. Something that was not even as big as what we have done. And that's why I'm proud of myself, of what I'm doing. Because I have seen what they did. And if you compare the two, you can see the difference.
So you are saying that these dams are exactly what you promised?
Yes. Then look at the cost. 250,000 Ghana cedi. 250,000 Ghana cedi. If you are constructing a meaningful dam, you don't need anything less than $3 million. $3 million, so not Ghana cedi. So if I'm constructing 250,000 Ghana dam, then what kind of dam are you expecting from me? I hope you're getting me. So that's the kind of dam we've promised the people. We didn't say we are going to construct the 3 million type or 6 million Ghana cedi, 10 million Ghana cedi type of dam for them. No. And this dam are being sponsored with the 1 million per constituency. What we were allocated with the 2018 is what we are using for. So definitely, if you wait me, then at the end of the day, you're using the whole of the 1 million for one constituency, not one village.
So you are saying that if they wanted a huge dam or the bigger one,
yeah,
it means that it will cost more.
It will cost more. And that one is not under my ministry, it's under the Ministry of Agric, because they are doing irrigation. They handle agric aspect of it. You understand? So that one is under the agric ministry.
This is what we lived with. gam danum. One this one now. I mean, do you give me 400,000 for 3 million? Yeah, I go for a creative ministry man, a special initiative. On say Obusa say, girl study say Obusa detailed question. So it is under the ministry of Agric. We are initiative. Sabon some way. Anka Bawumia Winnie Power King. Hawa Koomson. The special initiative. Obulos can we any say call fisheries. Yes, one fisheries minister. We are na chichiri go to fisheries ministry and okoto apunim. Sanko fu ameka omasem chirewi. These people, they would have been cabinet ministers. It is sometimes, and this no, let's hold it well. Anka wemu enebe govern Ghana. Akwana osasi on efeno mrekuduka oto asidi guni penim. Imrebi yes, sister bit Virginia ha baby. Na obuko ka kire Solomon Owusu. Solomon Owusu eye minor. I and catch the Kevin say Kevin in Jaime Rekuduka Samakana, they will start a legal action. So more bodam. What you say kusi be na America. Solomon from can say you part of the message you send on catch and say court to be about America beyond famra. Mrekuduka. Me catch them 2024 say Mrekuduka will lose his seat. Manganjram. Mrekuduka oya galamse utu galamse de me say oda man ajutu beti de obe pia bontina okuta machine ba or bofom Mrekuduka anka Mrekuduka muna o ka say Mrekuduka ekufo de minister lands akwana odiboba no yasa koma no lands minister afi o mene boba ma pa no Mrekuduka mene boba. Now I'm showing you this because me person who the MPP no sankomo we need power. These are your people who be ministers. Yeah, dear Yan say Unimakwawi. You know this guy? Me chira MPP no Unimakwawi. Your friend Joseph Adu no. You don't know him. Member of Parliament for La Dadi Kotopon constituency. Unim no. MPP we need ya. Unimakwawi. Unim akwawi. Senka MPP we need power. Unim ke juma nke debema no. Unim ni poye. Unim ni poye. Oye Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo personal driver. We oko contested for seat. Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne personal driver ni. 2024 Akufo-Addo ka so also parliament. No onya ne minister. Wait. Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo MPP forecast onko parliament. So Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne driver contested to be a member of parliament. What's your way? Akufo-Addo driver onye Joseph Addo ne yire so contested ye ne yire wini ye. Imbre bi nan sen na ne yire gira parliament e jimi no ho. Time no mu jimi omo say they are going to work out. Ne yire na na sha pink bi no. Bofro to bi no. Ne yire no. All the paper to us on trade equal to me. Now $1 we no $1. 2024 elections. Now $1. Akufo-Addo driver nie. This guy would have gone to parliament and become a cabinet minister. Anytime catch will say MPP na muhu ni sano. Don't underestimate that party. Mami antina Ghana njini say adena ya ye no. Masa let's protect what we have. Jimmy. They will scream, they will make noise, they will insult, they will fight each other. Let us ignore them. Let's not pay attention to the NPP. Allow them to fool themselves. Joseph Adon. Oh, team, get me the wife's video. I think you shared it with me. Metro on a yere, no jina parliament, no Jimmy no ho. Na yere parliament. Okasa kakra pena draws ma for. Why bem? Mesi na yere parliament. Okasa 2 minutes banana draws ma for. Debe okuta hankin or parliament or parliament. Na yere no. Team, get me that woman's video. Na me fanchira Ghana for. Joseph Ado, Akufo-Addo's personal driver or contested so be parliament. Na yere parliament. Or a first timer. Now pe mu Jimmy or parliament pa sa akwa na yere. Me se okasa kakra pere no afọ. Okasa kakra pere tro ne dross mo afọ. Obo so kuta parliament, no kuta hankin on the phone mu tuom na ofa de chi kwa chi. Me se the BP da 833. Or the parliament o because ni kru na oji free Flagstaff house and ono so $1 and ye Jimmy ti. Ye de Joseph Adway. Ya de na yira go tna parliament. Akwa we go for the personal driver no. Team, get me the wise video. Get me the wise video. Nancy a parliament. Na o Jimmy no na yire no. Gigri. Yan tia siam he. Hwe no fifre. Me se hwe no fifre. Ni fifre aso chibo fruit. Na ejey na yire nie, ma mfa na yire nkyira mo. Na yire nie, o Jimmy no ho parliament. Akwa we na yire to me making it to parliament. Flagstaff House Sika. Wouldn't the MPP betuma ye? Let me show you. Thank you, team, for bringing the picture. But there's a video of the wife fooling in parliament. Between the profile at Chemo. Honorable Gloria Owusu, member of parliament for Trobu. O Jimmy of parliament rough. Made in the profile, Chirawa. Made in the profile. She holds diploma, Bible college. Ni profile ni. Monko parliament monko he. Ni profile ni. Akwa ni yiri ni ubo mo Jimmy o parliament am wo kam. De bia no fifiri aso ton wache. Me say me kire wo. Ye be pon me kire mu. Onie. Ma mfa ni profile kire wo. The profile ni. Member of parliament for the following previous parliament. None. The first time or first time MP. Education. Charisma Bible College diploma 2011. Glotex Company Limited managing director. We be a provision shop. Yeah, there you go. Ye Jimmy Bruta na we tigana na nipa bi so MPP so. Me be chiro na yiri video, me be chiro Okasa 2 minutes na the one fifre. O te parliament na o Jimmy trouble for na de buy o mu tuska. Me be chiro yo Jimmy o Jimmy o parliament. Me pesa wo te MPP na se. Onie. Oko Charisma Bible School. Urade jagobo. Onie. Na yiri no ni ona sha pink no mo hwe no onie. What make I Go and do press conference. Press conference number 89. Jimmy no. Yes, we do pay honorable way. Okasa 2 minutes na draws more for. Mese muntina no kasa. We MPP for we.
My words. It will never happen in this country. Say you be re-election wa Brekumanov. Mini aba.
The inti say
re-election wa Brekumanov. Mini aba.
The inti say
say you be re-election wa Brekumanoff. Minyaba.
The Intinency Electoral Commission
it will never happen in this country.
Electoral Commission for say
Electoral Commission for say Omonka say you be re-election wa Brekumanoff. Minyaba.
The Intinency Electoral Commission for
say you be re-election wa Brekumanoff. Minyaba.
The Intinency Electoral Commission for
it will never happen in this country.
Electoral Commission for
say you be re-election wa Brekumanoff. Minyaba.
The Intinency Electoral Commission for
it will never happen.
These are the people. Can people we need ya? Ni kunu na twi ekufu ado. Akonwana na mo twi fa Ghana hakoba no na enu kunu na twika no. Opa Brekumanoff for no wa kuntokwa. Washa wig atwe akwechiri ema ni tiano na awewe na ache. Wakoto Cambodia for wig ahye apaila atum. Oka Brekumafo asem. Emu afo e Ghana kurodim. First time the first time parliament ni we did 4 months per parliament. Where you be no? All the parliamentary proceedings man is on kind, all to mean kind. Standing orders, or nim. There be an 12 Gwemuno, me see MPP as a political party, don't pay any attention to them.